The wrench is used to install and remove the lock nut on your grinder. It is a spanner type wrench with 2 pins that fit into the lock nut's holes. The distance between the pins can vary, so you'll want to make sure you order the correct wrench for your grinder. Using the wrench on your grinder is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Your new wrench has 2 sets of pins, larger pins on one side and smaller pins on the other. When you use the wrench, you'll engage the spindle lock on the grinder, determine if the nut uses the small pins or the large. In this case, we use the large pins. I engage the wrench with the holes in the nut, and then I can use the wrench to remove the nut. Same thing to reinstall the nut. I'll engage the spindle lock, thread the nut up against the grinding wheel, and then use my wrench to tighten it. When finished, make sure that the spindle lock disengages. And now you know how to use the wrench with your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.